Hello everyone, welcome back to Agrostar. Today, we're unlocking the potential of your own backyard, patio, or even a small windowsill to grow your very own home vegetable garden. Whether you're a seasoned grower or someone just starting their first patch of green, transforming your space into a productive source of fresh, healthy food is a deeply rewarding journey. If you're ready to bring the farm to your doorstep, this guide will provide you with the essential knowledge you need to get growing. So, let's cultivate some wisdom. The benefits of growing your own vegetables extend far beyond the dinner plate. Firstly, it gives you unmatched control over your food quality, allowing you to choose organic methods and avoid unwanted pesticides. Secondly, it offers incredible convenience and freshness. Nothing compares to the taste of a tomato or a handful of herbs harvested seconds before hitting the salad bowl. Thirdly, it is a fantastic way to connect with nature, providing a calming, productive activity that relieves stress and boosts your mood. Finally, it promotes sustainability by reducing the food miles associated with produce that is shipped across the country, making your kitchen footprint much lighter. You don't need a massive plot of land to be a successful home gardener, you just need to match the method to your space. If you have sunny, open yard space, traditional garden beds are a fantastic way to grow high-volume crops like potatoes, corn, or vining squashes. They allow for deep root growth and the use of natural soil biology. Ideal for those with poor soil or back pain, raised beds provide excellent drainage, fewer weeds, and a longer growing season because the soil warms up faster in the spring. They also look neat and organized in any yard. Perfect for balconies, patios, or front steps. Use pots, grow bags, or repurposed containers to grow peppers, tomatoes, herbs, and leafy greens. It's the most flexible way to garden because you can move plants to follow the sun. When space is at a premium, grow up. Use trellises, wall-mounted planters, or hanging baskets for cucumbers, pole beans. It saves floor space and keeps your produce clean and easy to reach. To ensure a thriving harvest, keep these fundamental principles in mind. Most vegetables need at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Observe your space throughout the day to find your brightest spots. Your plants are only as healthy as the soil they grow in. Always use high-quality potting mix for containers, or amend your ground soil with plenty of organic compost to provide necessary nutrients. Consistency is key. Check your soil daily. It should be moist but not waterlogged. Early morning is the best time to water, as it allows foliage to dry off during the day, preventing fungal diseases. If you're a beginner, start with high-success crops like lettuce, radishes, cherry tomatoes, or herbs like basil and mint. These grow quickly and are very forgiving. Home gardening is an evolving skill, and every season brings new lessons and new rewards. By starting small and focusing on the basics, you'll be surprised by just how much food you can produce right at home. If you found this video informative, please like, subscribe, and share Agrostar with your fellow home gardeners. Leave your favorite vegetable to grow in the comments below. We're eager to hear from you. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.